ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi lórí àṣírí ikú tó pa Toba náà ṣì ni o. Ẹ wò ó, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí ló ti ń tú o, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn dẹ̀ ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀ àti àwọn ìwà tí Toba Ijaya hù kí ó tó jáde láyé o. Àwọn kan tilẹ̀ sọ nípa rẹ̀ dáradára. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni wípé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti mọ̀ pé èèyàn ò lè dá tán kó má kù sí ibì kan o. Àwọn ènìyàn náà dẹ̀ tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ ìdàkejì ìwà Toba Ijaya. Àmọ́ lónìí arákùnrin kan ló bọ́ síta ò ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ lóríṣiríṣi. Kì wá ń ṣe ẹnu mi lẹ́ máa ti wá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ lónìí o. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ pátápátá ni màá bá yín gbé sókè kẹlẹ̀ bá gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ. Àmọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi tó bá ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ máa fi ìdáhùn yín sínú comment section. Ṣé lóòótọ́ ni ohun tó sọ nípa Toba Ijaya yìí? Ṣé gbogbo ohun tó sọ nípa Toba Ijaya yìí ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí? Ẹ jẹ́ mọ ìdáhùn yín nínú comment section. Mo kí yín káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì DIGINAIJA TV níbi táwọn ti máa mú ìròyìn wá bá yín ní kọ́mọ́kọ́mọ́ ní wàrà ṣẹṣà. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé tàbí kẹ́ bá mi fìdílé nǹkan torí ọ̀rọ̀ tí arákùnrin fẹ́ sọ lónìí ọ̀rọ̀ tó lágbára gidigidi ni. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ṣé lóòótọ́ ni ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí? Ẹ jẹ́ mọ èròǹgbà yín nínú comment section. Ẹ wá jẹ́ n gbé fọ́nrán náà sókè kẹ́ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ láti ẹnu arákùnrin yìí.
Read, and I quote, that you, Toba Ijaya, Adigun Oriyomi, and others at large, being members of an unlawful society, on Friday 10th, 2014 rather, at Ewanla Street, Mushin, did unlawfully kill one Muninat Agbabiaka. So they say don't fight person. Sometimes, make we dey careful wetin we dey wish for. Even the Bible or whatever popular saying talk say, those who live by the sword die by the sword. Now, my wife don't make me know of one guy where he died, Toba Ijaya. I can't go to read about the guy's story. Now, the guy be the former organizing, secretary for the National Union of Road Workers. All those people in UROWT, they be, cultism there among them, violence, now they know them for. And they're always associated with politics. Now, so white tributes from different parts, they pour in about the guy, say the guy is a good guy, they help lives, they do this. But a closer look at the guy record, and they show something where they more complicated. Now, if you check me, I know the means words. The matter where they involve this guy don't bring back serious discussion, about the violence where they happen for motor parks around the politics too, especially for that Mushin and Fadei. And the governor of Lagos, they need to look into that thing because I know that area well. And now for that area, all this transport union interest for their court group, rivalry, the money where then they collect from drivers, and then their political influence where they wield for that place, don't they fight, make them they fight each other for so many years and to control the motor parks. And the money that they collect, now be the main thing. Yeah, of course, if you can't wield political influence, like MC Oluomo, you too, if you become person will say you be taught, you not go school, but now you they elect people, they come power. So, but according to Punch newspaper, it says that for years, the Mushin Fadei axis served as a flashpoint for deadly clashes between rival factions fighting for territorial control within the transport sector. So this Ijaya name surfaced repeatedly in those conflicts, appearing in police investigation, court proceedings, and social media allegations where they link up to some of the violence for that area. So this guy himself not pure. He ain't not clean. In fact, for you to be a guy for NUROT, your hand know if you clean. If you never buy person or you don't do something, you say it shows say yes, you be person say you get liver. They don't give you that kind of position now. So, but among the troubling thing that I now saw was one particular incident where we say in that area, the history of that particular area, they see the discovery of somebody head, a 28-year-old man head. The guy named Ibukunle Tunde during the court clash for that 2024. And the recurring nature of all these clashes, they leave communities in serious prolonged states of fear and instability. But another thing where I can't hear, they say the court record from that 2024 showed that Ijaya was arraigned alongside one guy where they call Adigun Oriyomi, yes, and other defendants over their alleged roles for the buying where they connected to the Mushin unrest for that period, that 2014. One of the charges stated that, I read, and I quote, that you, Toba Ijaya, Adigun Oriyomi, and others at large, being members of an unlawful society, on Friday 10th, 2014 rather, at Ewanla Street, Mushin, did unlawfully kill one Muninat Agbabiaka. So they say don't buy person. So those who live by the sword then will surely die by the sword. So as much as sympathize with his family, they should know that violent, court life, gangster life, they pay.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ láti ẹnu arákùnrin yìí. Ṣé lóòótọ́ ni, ṣé bó ṣe rí gan nìyẹn? Àbí eléyìí kàn sọ àtàmọ́ ẹ̀yin ará agbègbè ibi tí Toba Ijaya gbé dàgbà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bọ́ síta ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ lóòótọ́ wípé ṣé lóòótọ́ àti lódodo ẹni tí Toba Ijaya jẹ́ leléyìí. Àwa nírí jù báyìí lọ lórí ìkànnì lówùrọ̀ yìí. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti ṣe kíni, láti tẹ follow button. Kẹ́ bá mi pín fọ́nrán yẹn, kẹ́ bá mi ṣe kíni, kẹ́ bá mi like. Torí bí ìròyìn bá ṣe ń jáde ní DIGINAIJA TV láwọn máa mú wá sétí ìgbọ́ yín. Ẹ ṣé o, ó dìgbà kan.